Hey everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Welcome back to Coding with Rohit, and this is Rohit Srivastav. Welcome back to another CSS battle video. In this video, I am going to solve a puzzle which is ups and downs. This is target number 4, battle number 1. Okay, so we have to create these we have to create these three shapes in this order. Okay, so here we take a simple approach where we create three div for each shape and change the background. A simple approach. Okay, so for that we just create uh, div IDA B and C. Okay, and then we come to style section. We open a style tag, close style tag, and do. And here we change the background color. Div background height is 100 px, width is 100 px, and border radius position absolute. Okay, so we have three divisions, three div here. So we set the position for A, for B, for C. Okay, top 150 px, and for C top 150 px, and for B top 50 px, and width left 50 px. And left 150 px. And similarly C, left 50 50 50, and under is 250 px. Okay, now we transform, rotate 180 degree. Done. So we submit this. and we have 100% match. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you enjoy watching this, to be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to the channel, because I am going to keep on doing such types of puzzles. If you have any recommendation or suggestion on something I should try to do, leave a comment below. Alright, thank you so much. I hope this helps you all, and happy coding.